Yes, indeed. It's the Bible Challenge. Every Sunday, just after 8:30, we do play our Bible Challenge. Mawuthemba nawe ukuthi ungayidlala uwin Bible Challenge yethu. Do send us your contact details on our WhatsApp line 0737091991. Bese udlala kanye nathi. On the line, I do have our champion, Mr. Simpiwe, who's been the champion for the past 2 weeks. Simpiwe, good morning.
Good morning, Mapodlo.
All is well, Fetu. Thank you so much for joining us once again this morning. We are Themba ukuthi namhlanje uzowina. All right, thank you so much. On the line we also have uNonyameko othi namhlanje uzomkhipha uSimpiwe. Nonyameko, good morning.
Good morning, Nkonyana njani?
All is well. We are phila wena.
Yes, phela.
Ukuphi nendawo Nonyameko?
NgiseMatigwe and
Ematigwe.
yes.
Right, are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, I'm ready.
Right, asinikezeni just few rules. I have 10 random questions from the Bible. Umuntu nomuntu ngimnikeza isikhathi sakhe to answer 10 questions, and the person that will get most questions correct will be our champion, and that person will proceed adlale kanye nathi the following week. So ngoba uniyafika Nonyameko, so qala ngawe sidlale kanye nawe iBible Challenge. So ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Asingene.
Mega Grace on Sunday, the Bible Challenge.
Right, Nonyameko, your first question. Who was Jesus' mother?
Maria.
Ubani?
Maria.
Maria. Right, next question. What was the name of the garden where Adam and Eve lived?
Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden. Who betrayed Jesus?
Judas Iscariot.
Judas Iscariot. What sea did Moses part?
Sorry?
Which sea did Moses part?
The Red Sea.
The Red Sea. Right. Who killed his brother Abel?
Cain.
Cain. And then who interpreted Pharaoh's dreams in Egypt?
Pass.
Pastor.
Pass.
Right, let's move on. The next question. What was Paul's name before he was converted into Christianity?
He was Saul.
He was?
Saul.
He was Saul. Right. Next question. Who was the strongest man in the Bible?
Goliath.
Goliath. Right. The next question. What river was Jesus baptized in?
The River Jordan.
River Jordan. And your last question. Who built the Ark of God in Jerusalem?
The Ark.
The Temple of God in Jerusalem.
Pass.
Pastor.
Pass.
Pass. All right. Okay, pass. Right. Thank you so much, Nonyameko. Just stay on the line. Let's go to our champion, uSimpiwe. Sibone ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani. Simpiwe, since you're a champion, okwakho kuthe ukuthi xaxa. My questions akathe ukuthi. Right? Are you ready for the challenge, Simpiwe?
Yes, Mapodlo, ready.
Let's go.
Mega Grace on Sunday, the Bible Challenge.
Your first question, Simpiwe. Who was the mother of Prophet Samuel?
Wana.
Wana.
Yes.
Right. Which king had a dream about a giant statue and Daniel interpreted that statue?
I can't pronounce it well, but Naked Lazar.
Wani?
I can't pronounce it well. Naked Lazar, something like that. But
Naked Lazar.
No, a pronunciation I can't pronounce it Kamalak.
Kodwa khona kanjani uphinde futhi khona ngizoza ukuthi uhamba.
Naked Lazar. Yeah.
Okay, ngiyayizika manje Nebuchadnezzar.
Yes.
Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uyalive inkinga pronounce ngiyakubona. Right, next question. Simpiwe, what is the shortest, right? Who was the shortest man in the Bible that climbed on the tree to see Jesus? Zacchaeus.
Yes.
Who replaced Judas Iscariot as an apostle?
Come again?
Who replaced Judas Iscariot as an apostle?
It was Thomas.
Thomas.
Yeah.
Ngicela ningivalelele umsakazo khona ngiyazizwa manje echo ngalapha. Ngicela if you can just try to switch off your radio noma uyenze ibe phansi. Right, let's move on. Next question. What was the name of Abraham's wife before God changed her name? Sarai. Right. Who wrote most of the book of Psalms? David. On which mountain did Moses receive the 10 commandments? Pass. Next question. Who was the Roman governor that sentenced Jesus to be crucified? Pilate. Right. Next question. The shortest verse in the Bible.
Exodus 14.
Exodus 14.
Yes.
Verse 1.
Over 14.
Right. Let's move on. Your last question. Who was known as the weeping prophet?
Who was known
as the weeping prophet. Ohlezi ekhala njalo. Right. Haggai.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Let's move on. Sesiqedile ke manje ama judges amasengibalele ukuthi nenze kanjani namhlanje. Are you ready for results?
Yes, we are.
Nanga ama results ethu namhlanje for our Bible challenge, so that sizokwenza our corrections quickly. Simpiwe.
Yes, sir.
You got 6 questions out of 10. 6 out of 10. And then
Yes, no problem, yeah.
Nonyamego.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for results?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
You got 8 questions out of 10.
Wawina wena.
And then we have the new champion Nonyamego Ehlula Usimpiwe, who was the champion for the past 2 weeks. Simpiwe got 6 questions correct. Nonyamego got 8 questions correct. And now Nonyamego is a new champion. She's coming back next week Sunday as a new champion. Simpiwe kunzeka izinto ezincane angazi kwenzakaleni kodwa ke awakama questions ebethe uqina kakhulu namhlanje. But again, thank you so much and congratulations Nonyamego as our new champion. Amazako Nonyamego.
Anginakho kuningi baba kodwa ngingasho ukuthi iBible challenge iyasikhuthaza ukuthi sikhuthalele ukufundisa nokulazi nokulenzisa.
Right. Thank you so much. So Tina futhi next week Sunday.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Simpiwe, thank you so much. Isikhathi sakho mfowethu.
Thank you so much, Mapodlo Mlilo on the Mega Trace Nation.
Amen. Thank you so much. Mawithemba ngeBible Challenge. Do send me your name and your surname and your contact details on 073-709-1991. I send some corrections quickly before siye kudokotela. Simpiwe got 6 questions out of 10. First question number nenkinga ngangithena, who replaced Judas Iscariot as an apostle? it was Matthias who replaced Judas and utena Thomas. And then ngambuza futhi, on which mountain did Moses receive the 10 commandments? Wathola imelele ishumi Mount Sinai. Then another question, ngambuza about the shortest verse. What in Exodus 14 verse 14 ganti? It's actually John 11 verse 35. Leli verse linamagaba amabili nje kuphela. uJesu wakhala. Jesus wept. Only 2 words akuleli verse. Then the last question, who is known as the weeping prophet? The weeping prophet uJeremiah. Jeremiah waziwa ngokuthi uhlale ekhala ekhalela uIsrael. He's always weeping ekusho ama prophecies ekhala. So he's known as a weeping prophet. Then uNonyameko got 8 questions correct and he only missed 2 questions. Lama questions awu2 akawagejile. The first one bibuza ukuthi who interpreted amaphupho kaFaro eGibhithe? uJoseph owa-interpreta amaphupho enkosi uFaro eGibhithe, wahamba wazwaba igovernor yalapha yena eEgypt. And another question akayigejile ukuthi ngibuza ukuthi ubani owakha ithempeli lapha eJerusalem? uSolomon owakha ithempeli lapha eJerusalem. So I was waiting for those questions. And then uNonyameko emerged as a champion. She's coming back next week Sunday.